Hi, this video is about my recent purchase of a bh92 backhoe for my Kubota tractor. I really enjoyed using it, but I didn't really like getting off the operator station and going into the tractor and to reposition it, so I came up with a little hack, and that's in the video. And you'll have to excuse my shoddy operator skill. I never ran a backhoe before, so I'm just about 3 or 4 hours into it, so you have to excuse my skills. And but I dug a ditch and so forth, and that's in the video too. So enjoy the video. Well, the wife was away, so I had to cook myself some breakfast, some pancakes and the great maple syrup that I made last spring. Is pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. Well, I get up, get ready, and out to use the new backhoe, and I really enjoy using it. But there was one thing I didn't like doing is getting out the operator station and then going to the tractor and to reposition it. So I did a little hack, and basically what you're going to see here in a few seconds is my left hand reach for a string. And basically I have a little string coming out the back of the tractor, and it's attached to the hydrostatic pedal by means of a string and a pulley. So I don't have to get off, I just pull the string and away I go. I mean, I wouldn't want to drive across Canada like that, but it certainly works for the application. I know there's a bit of a safety concern here, but I think it should be okay. I make sure I route it so that it's not interfering with any other handles or anything that can possibly tangle it up and get stuck. And if it does get stuck, I'll just put the stabilizer down and jack the back wheels right off the ground.
Simple little hack I did. I had this little
there it
pulley
is there.
system.
Now I did move it from that little knob. I moved it up to a handle for your hand
Doesn't take much strain.
to get in and out of the tractor.
Through the back window where I'll be
and it works really good there.
On the backhoe. So the
as you can see, I just run it out the back window.
Tied to the hydrostatic pedal. I have one here tied. One more little tidbit. The tractor won't go ahead using that string unless there's somebody sitting on the seat. So I just took the rocks out of my head and put them on the seat, and away I go. I don't know if, there's some safety concerns here, I know, but the rock was mixed in with the soil, and that'd be at least a truckload, maybe 2 truckloads of rock that I didn't have to buy.
Well, that's my video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe or like or leave a comment. I try to get back to everybody on their comments. Well, I don't have that many comments, so I'm kind of lonely, so leave a comment if you want to. So don't forget to visit my website at www.lostcaper.ca. Thank you. Have a great day.